Hi everybody, Andrew Stadel here, and I am continuing my attempt to estimate cheeseball tasks at Estimation 180. We're on day 209, and it's the amount of cheeseballs in a container. So I'm having a blast. We'll see how this one goes. I'm worried about this one. This one's going to be a little hairy, I think. Oh, the container. Jeez Louise. Ay, ay, ay. Well, if I'm going to, let me share my thinking with you. I'm thinking on this that if 205 was the largest amount we had. I don't remember. Ooh, let's go back to the video and use some information. See if we can see the container and how much was kind of left in the container when I poured it out. Sneaky. Oh, get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Oh, there's still a lot left in that container, man. All right. So on that, we found out that it was 286, I think. Is that right? Yeah, it was 286 was the amount. And there was still a lot left. Why don't we just double it? That seems fair. Maybe 286 is half of that container. I think for time purposes, I'm just kind of going to do that. I mean, this does look square-ish. I know it's a very awful square. The square would be offended. Square would be offended right now. Like, I am not that thing. It has a square with like little corners. Anyway, where I'm going with that is if we knew base of the square and then we multiplied it by the height, because it is very prismy. This rounded part at the top doesn't matter. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, about 12 layers. Yeah, I'm just going to go 286 times 2. Do you know? Yay! Yes! 572. Thank you, iPad. 572. Is there really 572 cheese balls? That is just not healthy. What was I thinking, people? All right, here we go. Cheese balls container. How am I going to do this? Here's the one. Yeah, we knew a tray had, yeah, we know, 286. We already saw that. Oh, that's right. I brought in a second tray. So we should get about 286 more, which was the 572. But wait, there's more? No! A third tray? Come on. Well, I was way off on this one. Oh, and there's dust. Oh, now we're going to spend time putting them in rows or columns, I guess, in this case. Oh, man. Way off on this one. This one kicked my behind. 8, 9. It just keeps counting. Why are you 910? I'm like almost off by 50. What? Holy cow. You guys want to see how bad I was on that one? At 910, and I said 572 because I just multiplied the tray by 2. Holy moly. What is that roughly? That's like 340-ish off or something. Gee, what? All right, hopefully some redemption here on 5. Or the fifth one. Day 209 was very humbling, as you probably saw. I was way off with those cheese balls in the container. And that happens, right? So the nice thing that I appreciated, though, is I could still draw on this handout. So I hope that you take advantage of the free download available to you that you can use with your students. So when you're at either any of the days from this cheese ball challenge, you have access to that handout. So be sure to download that. We're finishing up this series of estimation tasks with day 210. And in day 210, we go and figure out how many cheese balls can fit inside of this bowl. I feel like I get a chance to redeem myself after the container. So feel free to check out that video coming at you next.